Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix UAE Pass face recognition not working with the latest 2026 updates. Now, if your Face ID isn't scanning or keeps failing, these are some of the fixes that you can try and hopefully everything is going to get working again. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in this step 1, you need to clean your camera and make sure that you are in the good lighting. So this is the first thing that you need to do. Always make sure that your front camera is clean and you are in the bright light and the light is not dim. The shadows and the smudges can confuse the face scan. So make sure that you do this particular step before even basically trying for the face recognition. Now in the second method, you just have to simply remove any of the accessories that you are wearing. If you wear sunglasses, hats or any of the masks, you just have to simply remove that first. Anything that is blocking your face, you just have to remove it. Now you need to position your face straight in the camera. So this is the second thing that you need to do. In the third step, you just have to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, simply search for UAE Pass. When you are able to find the UAE Pass application and you tap on it, if you see any of the update button written over here, you just have to tap on that and you need to update your UAE Pass to the latest version. Now sometimes when we use the old versions, we face these types of problems. So here you just have to make sure that you do this. Now you need to go to the settings of your device. In your settings, you just have to make sure that the biometrics, fingerprints or the face ID and the face ID options are available. Now sometimes the OS settings can also block the app access, so make sure that you do it. Now after doing it, you just have to come inside your UAE Pass application. Now when you tap on your profile icon inside it, here too you need to go to the biometric settings. Here you need to delete the old face data, then rescan your face slowly from the different angles to register fresh data. If this is your first time for the face recognition, you can skip this step. Now when you are performing all of these steps or even when you are trying the fixes, just make sure that you are using a stable internet connection. Now if you are not sure that your internet connection is stable, you can do a quick restart. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.